If you're renovating or building, heads up, this video's for you. Here are our top 5 everyday delights. With all the allure of bright and shiny things, HGTV and Instagram have done a masterful job of making a lot of us focus on fancy refrigerators, invisible edge pools, retractable doors. You know what I say to that? Meh. I'm Sally Daley of the Daley Group at Douglas Elliman, and today I'm going to be a little controversial. To all of you chasing bright and shiny features in your houses, I would say keep them. If I were given a choice between shiny features and smart details that I would enjoy every single day, I'd take that hard stop. Give me smart details every time. Here are a few smart details in a house that we think you'd enjoy every single day. 1, a great laundry room or mudroom. Give me a window, a sink to hand wash, a surface on which to fold, a place to hang dry. No, that's a legit space that you will love every day. I say this as the luckiest woman who ever existed who does not do laundry in my own household. 2, an even better garage. Yikes, we just renovated our garage with SWISS TRAX flooring and some really jazzy and super functional Ferrari-red cabinets and wall racks. Here's what I have to say about that. What the flip took us so long? It looks fabulous and is even more functional. It makes me smile every time I go in there. DM me for the fantastic company we used and I'll send you their info and pics of our garage. Whether you have a basement or not, a good garage is a good thing and it's an investment that holds its value. Our house would be forever referred to by buyers as the house with a Ferrari-red garage. Enough said. P.S. Want to take it over the top? Add a mini split to add climate control to the space. Lots of natural light. If you know, you know. Good light is literally irreplaceable. LED lights are great, but do not compare. Good light adds vibe and mood throughout your house, reduces the time you rely upon electricity, and just adds a certain je ne sais quoi to any space. And a transom, a smaller window above a window, even better. More light and makes the glass proportional to the wall. Just really good. A backyard with green space and a view. Green space is just good for the soul. Plants, flowers, maybe some water in a pool or a fountain bring a sense of the outdoors and what is a great feeling of spaciousness, privacy, and daily enjoyment. No matter your yard size, you can create green in a view, even if it's potted plants on your condo terrace. One of the best things about living in Vero Beach, Florida is the green and blossoming flowers all year round. Truly, add some ambient light to that lighting and whammo, the space is transformed from a black hole at night to a very different vibe from the very same space in the daylight. A great closet. This is a true story. Several years ago, when we were gutting our home, we intended to leave the crappy original wire rack closets we inherited with the house. We forgot to convey this to our contractors, who summarily ripped them all out. Whoops! Reno budget went up. Add closets. Guess what? My now favorite part of the house after the reno? You know what I'm gonna say. My closet. Whether DIY with good closet systems you can buy or installed by the pros, a good closet keeps you more organized, looks better, and at the risk of sounding like Marie Kondo, brings joy when you enter the space. And like the garage renter holding its value, ditto with closets. Do not underestimate the importance of a good closet on a future buyer. And P.S. Ditch the crappy original bifold doors. It always boggles my mind when I see a reno and the sellers pinch pennies by leaving the crummy original doors. That $100 savings makes a buyer think, what else didn't they do that they should have? Change the door. What's your favorite everyday feature of your house or your dream house that you're planning? A pot filler? A tankless hot water heater? Electric screens? Comment below, as we'd love to hear. Until next time, I'm Sally Daley of the Daley Group at Douglas Elliman in Vero Beach. Take care. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you'll get notified when we produce new videos. And if you want to see more content right now, click to the videos to the left and you'll see more.